I'll guide you through setting up a Walmart Plus membership without missing out on the 50% discount or the new streaming benefits. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open the Walmart app or visit walmart.com/plus to access the membership hub, where you can view all current plan options. Tap Start your free 30-day trial. Sign into your existing Walmart account or create a new one using your email. Select the annual plan for $98 or choose the monthly plan for $12.95 if you prefer a flexible commitment. Check your eligibility for Walmart Plus Student or Walmart Plus Assist if you are a college student or receive government assistance like SNAP or Medicaid, as this unlocks a 50% discount through Share ID verification. Enter your credit card or debit card details in the Payments section to authorize the future membership renewal and activate your instant benefits. In your account, if you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.